Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to change between lowercase, uppercase, propercase and sentence case for text-based data in Excel. Okay, so let's get started. First we will use the uppercase function to change to uppercase letters. So okay, now to change back to lowercase letters, use the lower function. And similarly, to change to proper case, use the proper function. Okay, so this is how to use functions to do this. Now let's try to use the flash fill feature. So first type in, let's say, in uppercase letters, so data never lies. Okay, now in the second example, as soon as you try to type in, you will get the appropriate suggestions. Okay, press enter and do the same for lowercase letters. Okay, so data never dies. Okay, and again you get the appropriate suggestion. Again for proper case, so capitalize each word, never dies. Okay, and for sentence case, only the first letter will be capitalized. Okay, perfect. So this is more effective and faster. Okay, now let's try to use the Power Query tool to get the same result. So first select the dataset, go to the data tab and click on from table or range. Now click OK to create a table and the Power Query editor is open. Okay, so here go to the transform tab and then from the text column group click on format and you will see the options for lowercase, uppercase and propercase, that is capitalize each word. These three options to change back to. Okay, whichever you require. So let's try these one by one. So these are lowercase letters, so let's change back to uppercase and okay, so this is working just fine. For proper case, this one again change back to lowercase. Okay, so all of these three options are working just perfectly. Okay, now to import this data back to the worksheet, click on file, close and load to existing worksheet. Select the destination and you are good to go. Okay, now let's try to use some macro buttons to make the process faster and quicker and easier. Okay, so to do this, right click on the worksheet tab and select view code. This will open the VBA window. Now insert a new module and paste this code. Okay, so for uppercase this part, for lowercase this part, for proper case this part, and for sentence case this part. Okay, okay, so this is the code. You will find it in the video description. Okay, now right click on the ribbon and click on customize the ribbon. Okay, now under the main tabs select the place where you want to place the new buttons. So we're gonna place them inside the home tab after the font group. Okay, so select the font group, then click on new group. Okay, rename it to, let's say, text case. Okay, now change the popular command here to macros to find all the listed macros here. Select them one by one. Let's say uppercase. Okay, add it, and then the, let's say, lowercase, proper case, and sentence case. Okay, so all four are added to the text case custom group. Okay, now select the macros in here in the custom group and rename them as required. Okay, so let's add a new symbol. So for the uppercase, let's use this one. Okay, for lowercase, let's use this one. For proper case, let's say this one, and for sentence case, let's use this one. Okay, and click OK. Now you will see that in the home tab you get the text case group and all four of the macro buttons. Okay, proper case, sentence case, lowercase, and uppercase. Okay, now as that data is selected, click on any of the macro button to get the required results. So for uppercase, see, this is super fast and easy. For lowercase, for this is proper case. Okay, so capitalize each word. Okay, so for sentence case, okay, so this is how you can use VBA macro to add different buttons to change between different case of text. Okay, so these are the four methods. Hope you find the video useful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.